Yes, it does fit there.
Okay.
I already looked at the writing on here. Made in USA, W, Salem 483 tank, it looks like, or 4003. Made in Costa Rica by American Steward, September 26, 1990, 74. And this fill valve is strange. It says Frugal Flush.
Okay.
Phoenix, Arizona, made in USA. Look, block logo on the fill valve.
Really? Where?
First time I've seen a block logo on the Seattle trip.
Where is it?
It's on there. See, block logo.
Oh, neato.
It's not very good though.
Yeah, it's hard to see. Oh yeah, right there. Okay.
I think all of tank parts are original except me. I'm not so sure about the flapper, but I'm sure about this, and this I'm pretty sure about too.
Okay,
it's plastic, although it looks metal. Here we go.
Awesome. Cool.
I told you to film this because you never know. Sometimes hotel rooms have different books.
I understand. That's good. So you followed for me because that other time that I didn't know about.
Let me just get this ready.
Okay.
I don't think we've ever done it this long, but it's going well. I like it.
I like it too.
This is actually not the first one I filmed.
That's the first one I filmed though.
The other one I filmed had said 3.5 gallons. This one's older than that era one I filmed.
Okay.
The era one I filmed was in another place.
Okay.
The other one was the 1995 one. I'm sure you all know that one.
Okay.
This is the second Flushing Yorkville that has ever been found. Videoed.
Cool.